This is a live demonstration of a changeover for a pre-tooled part on the Technics Minuteman automation system. We'll be changing over from an aluminum cylindrical component to a larger 6-inch wide steel tubular component. First, I'm going to change the part program. By calling up a group of parameters, and this will be group parameter 1. Now I'm going to call up a program for the robot that brings the robot arm out to me so that I can adjust the gripper on it. The gripper jaws are held with 2 set screws each. I'm going to use a part-specific fixture to center the jaws and to adjust them to the correct part width. This makes repeatability of changeover much better and quicker. The top set of jaws we won't adjust, as this part only requires 1 gripper. Continue this part program to send the robot back into the house. Now I need to adjust the conveyor guides for the wider part. Remove all the existing parts. This is an adjustment that's performed largely by eye. As we have some forgiveness in during the pickup of these parts with the robot. Reset the robot control. Remove the existing part from the machine. Need to adjust the air nozzle so that it'll blow the chips off the part during an exchange. Call up the part program in the CNC. I'm going to override the feed rate of the robot down so that I can verify its positions during this first run. Now it's going to pick up its first part. Just going to slow it down and verify that pickup. That looks good. It's going to bring that part into the machine. and place it in the vise. Slow it down a little bit here. This looks good. Now it's going to seat the part by pushing down on it. That all looks good. This is the point at which the machine will operate on the part. The robot comes back in, takes the finished part out, and place it on the outbound conveyor. That looks good. Now we can run the robot at full rate. And that concludes our changeover. Notice the robot, the machine comes down and blows off the device with the Haas P-Cool system for this particular part.